Hey friend, I'm so glad you were able to make it. I am going to go over a few of my favorite Azure cleaning products just really quick. A few of them are still new to me and I haven't been able to try them out yet. So I'd love to hear if you have had them and what you think of them. Hi, my name is Kari and this is Homestead by the Highway. And this is just a few of the cleaning products I buy from Azure. First up is the toilet bowl cleaner. This is one of like 4 bottles that I bought. I bought this multiple times. And I bought one at first to try it, and there was actually a price point discount on a 3-bottle pack. So I ended up getting a 3-bottle pack. I do like this. I struggle with cleaning products, especially in the bathroom where I can't be breathing in all those chemicals. So this one works for me and I do like it. So this is their toilet bowl cleaner. It is free of phosphates, EDTA, SLS, SLES, dyes, chlorine, and animal testing. So just a little blip on that. The next thing that I have is a dishwashing gel, and that is the one, it's the Azure Clean. Has all the same, it doesn't have these ingredients. I just ran a few loads of dishes the last couple of days so that I could try this before this video. I love this. I normally use the giant green bottle. I've tried several things. I've struggled with them. They don't work in my dishwasher or whatnot, but I really do like this. It works for our dishes. I do rinse all of our dishes well before I put them in the dishwasher. So to be said for that, I don't put them in really dirty, but it works for what I use it for. I also bought this dishwasher. This is a powder. It's fragrance free. I bought this one. It says, the reason why I mentioned the fragrance free is the one that I buy in the green bottle has such a smell when the dishwasher is running. I have to run it at night or while I'm at work because I just can't even stand the smell of the dishwasher running from the cleaner. So I bought this one. I've not used the powder yet. I tried another powder and I really didn't like the powder, but I bought this one before I saw that one. So I have to try this one yet. If you use this one, let me know if you like it or if you've tried it and you're like, oh, I found that my dishwasher didn't do this. And I realize all machines are a little bit different, but that is why I bought this one. And I have just a few more products and they're all about washing clothes. So this is one of the first cleaning products that I bought from Azure. And I love it. I actually bought it in the 3-pack, I think is what it came at a discount at the price point. So I bought one. It does, just as a heads up, it does smell like bleach. It smells like powdered bleach. It's sodium sulfate, sodium carbonate, sodium precarbonate, and that is it. It is a laundry booster. It's just 2 tablespoons. I use it with my whites. I haven't tried it with other clothes yet, but I do run it with my towels and my socks and those kinds of things. So I did buy a 3-pack of this because I really do love this product. Even though it's bleach, it smells like bleach kind of thing. The next thing that I've bought multiple times is this Country Save. It's 100 ounces. It's 160 loads in a high efficiency washing machine. And I use this. I like it. Just as a disclaimer, we don't have really soiled clothes. We don't have kids playing sports. We aren't getting really soiled on a farm. We're not doing greasy mechanic projects, those kinds of things. So for us, this works. I can't speak to if you have heavily soiled clothes or kids playing sports or something like that. So this is the second time I bought this. I have used it in we had a standard washing machine prior to, we just got a high efficiency one. So I've used it in both. I've liked it in both. It's worked great in both. So I do like this. And it's not, you don't have to use much. It's crazy how tiny the little scoop is to use for it. And because I have a high efficiency, I only use half of that and sometimes barely that if I'm doing a small load. So, but it works for us and we like it. On another note, this was just in my last Azure video. If you have seen my last Azure video, or if you watch my other videos, I just got, this is my second bottle of this. I buy this. My husband prefers liquid when he is throwing in a load of laundry. So I do pick up one of these. It lasts us forever. He runs a load every now and again. So he'll use this when he does laundry. When I wash his clothes and stuff like that, I just use the powdered and we go back and forth and it is fine. This is the Azure Clean Premium Liquid. This I did not realize, so I'm sure he's using way more than he needs to when he does use it. This is a concentrate. This should last us at least another 10 years if we were using it according to the directions. It is 2 tablespoons for a load of laundry, and I am sure we're using a half a cup and maybe even a full cup, so way more than what we need to. So I did not realize this was so concentrated, which makes me feel a lot better about the price point. I think it runs in the $40 range, but if you think about you're only using 2 tablespoons for a large load of laundry, this is going to last a really long time. It says 128 standard loads, and I have a high efficiency, so we use even less soap than that. Usually it's about half, so that's almost 200 loads for us. That's more than a year's worth if I'm doing almost a year's worth if I'm doing a load of laundry every day. So we do really like this. The scent on it is not anything that bothers me. You can, on the top of this, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Maybe, no. Right here it says refillable. Azure sells these in, I think, 5-gallon buckets. A 5-gallon bucket, so you can refill this if this is what you want to keep on your shelf. So they do sell this in very large, but I'm sure it's going to be, I don't know what the price point on it is. I get this one. So, and like I said, this is the second time I bought it, but now that I know it's only 2 tablespoons, we'll probably never have to buy it again. And the last thing I have for cleaning and laundry, I just purchased these. This was also on my last order. I have never tried these before. They are the laundry sheets, and it says 32 strips. So there's these squares, and then these squares, if you have a smaller, if you have a smaller load of laundry, you can tear them in half. They're kind of I tore one and the other one tore really easy. Oh, there it goes. I just needed to find where it started. So you can tear them into strips. I did not count to see if tearing it in half equals a load, and that makes up the 32 strips, or if there's 32 of the big squares. I wanted to try them because, one, I've read good things about this True Earth brand, as well as I love not having to have this giant box or this giant jug. If I could just toss one of these in and have it do what I need it to do, then I would prefer to do that. It does say that it is safe for a high efficiency and a front load and a top load washing machine on there. So 1 strip equals 1 load. For extra large loads, use 2 strips. This, and they're showing a picture, this half is 1 strip. Detach a strip, place it inside the washing machine, tear into smaller pieces if necessary, add laundry, and start your washer. I have yet to try these. These are made in Canada. This is a Canadian brand product. So it was $13.80. I know that, one, because I just got it, and 2, I wrote it on the back when I was doing my previous video. These I'm anxious to try this weekend when I do laundry. And I will, once I do that, I will put an update down in the wording of this to show, just with an update as to what I thought of these. So that is it for the cleaning products that I use from Azure. I'm also going to do another video coming out that is things that are not food. Parchment paper, paper cups, measuring cups, and my rubber totes that I use out in the garden, those kinds of things. So I'm going to also create another video for that, so watch for that to come out. Let me know what your favorite cleaning products are. Let me know if you use Azure, and if you are new to Azure, I will also put a link down below. And if you use that link, Azure does put a credit into my account that allows me to put a credit towards my next purchase. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. I wanted to keep this video short, but I also wanted to let you know that Azure has so much more than just bulk bags of flour and sugar and all of the spices. Thanks so much, friend. Thank you for your time. Have an amazing day.